Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread on top of the stove. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a half cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet components, have ready 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. This method is incredibly easy and yields delicious results. Now let's get mixing. In a spacious bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently combine the milk, vegetable oil, and the 1 large egg. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir just until everything is moistened. Avoid overmixing to keep your cornbread tender. It is time to cook our cornbread. Place a 10-inch cast iron skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter or vegetable oil. Once the skillet is hot and the butter is melted, carefully pour your prepared cornbread batter evenly into it. Cover the skillet with a lid and let it cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The cornbread should turn a beautiful golden brown on the bottom. To ensure your cornbread is perfectly cooked, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once done, carefully remove the cornbread from the hot skillet and place it on a wire rack to cool for about 5 minutes. This brief cooling period helps it set. Then, slice your warm, delicious cornbread into 8 to 10 generous pieces. Serve it with butter, honey, or your favorite chili for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.